first. See if it's, ready? Say when.
It's already recording, mate.
Nearly took your hands up. I'll do a drive-by. I mean, it's going to chew it up real quick. Yeah.
Didn't hurt the tyre too bad.
I'll do a drive-by.
Do a wheelie, mate.
So this is my electric off-road buggy go-karty thing I call the moon rail. Half sand rail, half moon buggy. A little interesting suspension setup that I dreamed up and thought I'd have a go at trying to make. 48 volt each side, 2 motors, each has a separate throttle control, and independent rear end. That's a go-kart rear axle cut in half, running the two 1800 watt motors. It's not fast, but it was more about a project about suspension and steering and see if I could make it work. Yeah, it's really nice and soft, and I'll do a little bit of video of it going over some bumps.